Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can buy Uniswap coins without high gas fees. So please listen carefully. Before starting, make sure that you have a wallet connected to the layer 2 solution or Ethereum sidechain, and this helps you save on gas fees while trading. First, you will have to connect your wallet to app.uniswap.org, and then you will choose a layer 2 network like Arbitrum or Optimism in your wallet. And then after that, you will ensure that your wallet has ETH or the correct token on that layer 2 network. And then you will click swap and select your token. And then you will just have to review the estimated fees. And then the layer 2 transactions usually have minimal gas fees. And finally, you will just have to approve the swap in your wallet and then wait for the confirmation and then double check that your transaction is on the layer 2 network to avoid high gas costs. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.